As mentioned yesterday, I thought that the northern communities would be under a heat advisory as heat index values will reach 105 this afternoon. All areas is the criteria for the northern communities along Highway 280 North, covered by the Atlanta National Weather Service office in Peachtree City, has a little lower criteria for that heat advisory, and that kicks off midday and actually takes us through tomorrow because the temperatures are only going up from there. Not easy for me to say, and I'm still wearing my short sleeve shirt. I got one more day, and then we get to put the short sleeve shirts away because we got wetter and cooler weather coming our way. Let's break down our Tuesday as we start off this morning in the low to mid 70s. We'll get into the mid 80s. Again, it's not too bad this morning, but boy, it's going to heat up in a hurry with all the sunshine you can handle. Then we'll see some fair weather clouds developing right around lunchtime. We'll get into the mid 90s and look at that, up to 98 degrees as we go into that 5 o'clock hour. Let's look at the forecast. Feels like those heat index numbers already approaching 100 by 11, well into the hundreds by 1, and kind of hanging out right around 105 across most of our region. Again, no real mention of rain today. There's a silent 10 treatment today. We will see rain chances returning in earnest tomorrow afternoon and evening, and those storms could really pack a punch as we break this heat wave. Temperatures this evening, 95 at 7 p.m., still in the upper 80s at 9, and then mid 80s 11. It's going to be a muggy night tonight as temperatures will start off around 76 degrees under partly cloudy skies. So looking at that high pressure over top of us, that's going to keep the clouds and the shower chances down and the heat on. Now, looking off to our east, we do see this trough and a surge of tropical moisture that's going to come over top of us. So it will be hot as we go into the midday hours on Wednesday, but then the thunderstorms will begin to develop late in the afternoon into the evening. You can see that activity really starts to ramp up as we go from about 5 to 7 o'clock. It comes to a head between 8 and 9 p.m. tomorrow evening. So it's going to be mostly an evening event as the sun sets. Lots of lightning, heavy downpours, maybe some damaging wind gusts, and also the potential for some small hail to mix in as well. So it's going to be a boisterous Wednesday evening, and then things quiet down. Only to have more showers and storms return as we have another surge of tropical moisture heading our way. And that's going to mute those daytime highs, going from near 100 tomorrow down towards 90. Look at the highs on our Wednesday. Woo, what a hump. Yeah, heat. A lot of heat with temperatures ranging between 95 and 100. Heat index values 105 to 110. Again, we're likely to be under a heat advisory. It's all depending on when those storms arrive. Right now we think they'll come late in the day, and that's why we think the temperatures will be so hot and the humidity will be high too. So from 5 to 11 p.m. we do have now a slight risk for severe storms. I would say for the western third of our area. It gets very close to Albany. I mean, it's in western Dougherty County, so we might as well just include Albany too. That includes a 15% chance of damaging winds, 5% chance of hail, 5% chance in that marginal risk area in the eastern two-thirds of our area. Your forecast looking ahead, well, tomorrow, 50% chance of strong thunderstorms, a high of 99. We're still going with that heat index about 108 here in Albany. 40% chance of showers and storms on Thursday, 73 to 92, 72 to 91, 73 to 91. So this is very seasonal, maybe a degree below average because our rain chances continue to climb. We'll talk all about it on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope you join us then.